Hi, it's Miss Heather from Conservatory of the Ozarks, and today I have not been at Conservatory of the Ozarks at all. I thought I would just give a little peek into my private life, I guess, today. So, to show what I'm doing when I'm not at work, I'm moving. So, everything is looking horrible and ugly. And it's so sad, not even any curtains, because I'm supposed to move on Wednesday. No jewelry on my jewelry holders. But I was really happy and excited because, I don't know if this can really show, but I got a new fall dress that I could wear to the corn maze today. Yay! With Miss Katie and Josh, who were teachers at the conservatory, and Katie used to take voice lessons with me, so it was really fun. And we went on a hayride, and we made s'mores. It's the Verona Corn Maze. I've been going there since I was a teenager, and it was a fun evening. So it was kind of nice to have something fun to do, since it's just been like, I feel like I've been in like fight or flight mode this whole week because first thinking everything was going to be closing on Wednesday and then finding out on Tuesday actually it wasn't going to be closing, and then trying to figure out how to move forward from there after having everything prepared to close. So it was nice to have something kind of fun to do. But I was feeling so overwhelmed about packing. Like, it sounds like an echo in here. This is my gift wrapping room, and it's all empty now. Looks so sad and ugly. But because I thought, oh, my plan is the conservatory is closing, so I can just focus on packing my house and moving my house on next week. But then it was like, oh, this week I didn't work on packing my house at all, because instead I was working on trying to figure out how to rearrange the pianos that we had left that we didn't sell yet, and how to rearrange like the studios that teachers were in so everything would make sense going forward at the conservatory. And so I was working on that with my boyfriend, and then we just kind of left it a huge mess because we had to work on some stuff here at home to get, some packing done, since Wednesday is only a few days away now, and actually we have to pack it all up on Tuesday. And I was feeling really stressed about how far behind I was, but several of my students have been so supportive and so nice right now during this time. They know I'm going through all of these crazy things, and they've been like, what can we do to help you? Or can I help you pack? Do you need help moving? Like, I didn't ask or really say anything about needing help. They just asked, and I hate to take them up on that because I don't want to take advantage, and nobody likes to help people move. So, but the person who I was paying to help get everything ready wasn't able to come help this week, and so I was just feeling at my wit's end, trying to somehow find time to pack this all up and rearrange everything at the conservatory. Blah. So I just finally kind of broke down and asked a couple of my students if they would be able to come help me pack. And so Bernice came today and helped me for like several hours, from like 9 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. And I worked on these rooms back here, and she was just packing on the other side of the house. And tomorrow my other student, Lauren, is going to come help me. And look at this. It's so sad to have a house without curtains. So anyways, that's going to be helpful. Hopefully between Bernice and Lauren, I'll have everything ready. And this is another sad thing. There are shingles in the driveway because the roofers are supposed to come and fix the roof, and they haven't showed up yet. So hopefully they'll finish that so we can close on our deal. for our houses. The old house and the new house. But the other thing is, I used up, I think, all of our big boxes today with Bernice, so I'm gonna have to somehow find some new big boxes tomorrow morning before Lauren comes. So that's all I've done today. Hopefully in the morning I can go over to the conservatory and take Robbie, my boyfriend, with me because he has to help me. I can't do the, the stuff with tools. I don't know how to do that stuff. So he has to help me do that so that the studios won't be a giant disaster on Monday. And then hopefully we can also pack a bunch of stuff here tomorrow. And hopefully in a couple weeks everything will be great and back to normal, and we'll know where we're going to be living, and I'll know where I'm going to be working and everything will be, making a little bit of sense. Oh, one other thing that I've been meaning to share an update about, which has nothing to do with music lessons or anything, but this video isn't really about music lessons anyway. It's just me talking randomly. My 2020 vision board. I've seen people do updates on how their vision board has turned out for the year. This is the first time I've done an official vision board that I put in a picture frame on the wall and stuff. I normally have just done things like that in a scrapbook type thing. But I got invited to a vision boarding party in January this year, and it was so fun. I loved it. And my word for the year was grow. And do you know something so crazy? I was looking up quotes about grow, the word grow, so I could put that on my vision board. And I didn't really like the quotes or the definitions because they all involved pain. And I was like, I don't really want the pain part. I just want the growth part. And then 2020 happened, and I was like, oh, there's the pain part, I guess. And I kind of did categories. Oh, here's Hugo coming to say hello. I kind of did categories, though. This was the Robbie goals section. Or, romantic relationship goals. And then this was health goals and family. And then, kitty. And then these were my relationships, friendships kind of goals. And then my career goals for the conservatory. And then my home wishes down here. And you can see here for the conservatory, I put 300 students. That was my goal for this year. And I've been feeling, up to this week, wow, my vision board has just gone all wrong. It's going the opposite way. Instead of getting closer to 300, it's getting farther away. This is horrible. And it's so sad. But maybe there actually is something different happening than I ever would have imagined. I don't know. And so maybe, I don't know that we'll make it to 300 students by the end of this year. That would truly be miraculous because we're down so low in enrollment right now, especially since not all the teachers are able to stay, since, they'd already made arrangements about leaving. So I don't know what the next few months hold or what will happen in the future, but I just think it's interesting to have this vision board up on the wall to refer to all through the year and kind of see how things are progressing. And it's weird to see something like that and be like, oh, that's my vision board has failed me because that's not happening. And I'm really disappointed about that. and then to be like, oh, maybe it is gonna be okay after all. Not that, I don't know, not that my vision board is, I don't know, I don't know if I necessarily buy into all the magical whatevers about the law of attraction and all that stuff, but I do think it's fun to make a vision board and then just to kind of notice through the year, like, what were the things I was hoping for, and did they happen or did they not happen, and what do you hope for the next year? I think it's more fun to do it with, an artistic way, like with pictures rather than just writing a list of resolutions or goals or something like that. I just don't feel as invested if I do it that way. So, anyhow, it's actually tomorrow already because we got back from the corn maze really late. It was already midnight when we got here. So, I'm going to post this video and count it as Saturday's update. But I guess technically it is Sunday. So I hope everybody has a great weekend and a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.